Maintaining that he believes that people will vote for him, Prime Minister Narendra Modi said on Tuesday, and I quote, "The day I do Hindu-Muslim, I will be unworthy of public life, and it is my resolve that I will not do Hindu-Muslim." Prime Minister Modi made these remarks in an interview to a TV channel in India. He posted clips of the interview on X. Now his remarks come days after his April 21st speech in Banswara in Rajasthan, where while attacking the Congress he said,
पहले जब उनकी सरकार थी उन्होंने कहा था कि देश की संपत्ति पर पहला अधिकार मुसलमानों का है। इसका मतलब ये संपत्ति इकट्ठी करके किसको बांटेंगे? जिनके ज्यादा बच्चे हैं उनको बांटेंगे।
This speech was flagged by the Congress, CPI and CPI-ML in their complaints to the Election Commission that led to a notice being issued to the BJP President JP Nadda. In the interview on Tuesday, the Prime Minister said, and I quote, "I have neither said Hindu or Muslim. I have said you should have as many children as you can support. Don't create a situation where the government has to support." When asked whether Muslims will vote for him and whether he needed their votes, he said, and I quote, "I believe that people of my country will vote for me. The day I do Hindu-Muslim, I will be unworthy of public life, and I will not do Hindu-Muslim. It is my resolve." He said further, and I quote, "If I give houses, I talk about saturation, 100% delivery. This means that if there are 200 homes in a village, what community, what caste, what religion? No. If there are 60 labharthis, as in beneficiaries, in those 200 houses, all 60 should get it. And 100% saturation is social justice and true secularism, and there is no chance of corruption in it. You know that if another person got it this Monday, I will get it next Monday." For more updates on Lok Sabha elections 2024 and news across the globe, keep watching the Indian Express.